Hello everyone, here is the weekly Indian stock market update. Quick, clear and full of useful information. Indian stock markets finished the week in a weak note. The Nifty 50 down by 645.70 points, finishing at 25,048.65. The BSE Sensex down by 2,032.65 points, finishing at 81,537.70. And the Nifty Bank down by 1,622.05 points, closing at 58,473.10. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, all sectors ended the session in the red, with realty emerging as the worst performance sector. Market breadth was weak, with 42 stocks declining and only 8 advancing on the Nifty 50. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index were Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hindustan Unilever, Tech Mahindra, Hindalco and Kotak Mahindra Bank. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index were Adani Enterprise, Wipro, Eternal, Jio Finance and Adani Ports. On the investment side, domestic institutional investors supported the market, buying shares worth 17,995.27 crore rupees. However, foreign institutional investors remained net sellers, with net outflows of 12,408.17 crore rupees during the week. Here is a brief overview of this week's market news. Indigo faces a financial impact of over 1,180 crore rupees after DGCA action. The airline said it has enough pilots, expects no cancellation after 10th February 2026, and was asked by the DGCA to submit regular reports and fix plan to follow flight duty time rules. Coal India has received a composite license from the Ministry of Mines for the Kaulapur Rare Earth Elements and Rare Metals block in Maharashtra. The license covers an area of 398 hectares. India and the European Union may finish free trade talks by 27th January and aim to sign the deal by 2026. At the World Economic Forum in Davos, Mahindra & Mahindra CEO Anish Shah said the company will list its electric three-wheeler business in 2027 to fund future growth. Power Grid Corporation said its committee of directors on investment on projects approved 914 crore rupees on 20th of January, including 401.88 crore rupees cleared at the 51st meeting of the Western Regional Power Committee. Cipla has partnered with ImmunoAct to launch a new blood cancer treatment in select African markets, including South Africa, Algeria, and Morocco, through its subsidiary MedPro Pharmaceutica. Bharat Electronics Limited secured fresh defense order worth 610 crore rupees, covering communication systems, medical electronics, thermal imagers, jammers, and related services. JSW Steel reported its quarterly 3 results, with revenue from operations at 45,991 crore rupees, slightly higher than 45,152 crore rupees in quarterly 2. Total income rose to 46,264 crore rupees from 45,436 crore rupees in the previous quarter. Net profit to 2,410 crore rupees from 1,646 crore rupees in quarterly 2. Several Nifty 50 companies announced their quarterly 3 results this week. The list includes Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Eternal, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Indigo, and Shriram Finance. This concludes our weekly market roundup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights. See you in the next market update.